In this video, we listed the 7 best woodworking tools for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Thin Rip Jig for Table Saw. The Thin Rip Jig for Table Saw is a woodworking tool designed to enhance precision and efficiency when making repetitive narrow or thin strip cuts. This jig is especially useful for tasks that require consistent thin rip cuts on a table saw, band saw, or router table, making it ideal for projects involving intricate details or custom trim work. Constructed to fit a standard 3/8 inch by 3/4 inch T-slot, this jig provides a stable and adjustable guide that minimizes the need to reposition materials manually, thus improving both safety and accuracy. Woodworkers can quickly set the jig to a precise measurement, ensuring each strip cut is identical to the previous one. This is particularly beneficial for those working on extensive projects where uniformity in cut dimensions is essential. Product 2. Product name: WorkPro Carpenter Pencil. The WorkPro Carpenter Pencil with Sharpener is a versatile, heavy-duty pencil set tailored for professionals in construction, woodworking, and architecture. Designed for precision and durability, this mechanical pencil set includes 26 refills and is ideal for marking deep, hard-to-reach areas. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the mechanical construction eliminates the need for constant sharpening, making it a time-saver on job sites. It comes in 2 colors, black and red, and includes a convenient carrying case to keep the tools organized and accessible. This set is suited for a range of heavy-duty marking tasks, appealing to architects, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts who require accuracy in their work. Product 3. Product name: WorkPro Bar Clamps. The WorkPro Bar Clamps for woodworking are versatile, light-duty clamps ideal for hobbyists and DIY woodworking projects. This set includes 6 clamps in total, 4 6-inch clamps and 2 12-inch clamps. Each clamp features a quick-change design, allowing them to function both as clamps and spreaders for added flexibility in various woodworking tasks. These clamps are capable of applying up to 150 pounds of pressure, making them suitable for light-duty applications such as gluing, positioning, and holding wood pieces in place while working. Each clamp is equipped with a one-handed operation mechanism, enhancing ease of use, particularly when managing multiple materials or working on intricate projects. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for quick adjustments, while the sturdy build ensures reliability during tasks. Their blue color design also makes them easy to locate on the workbench. This set, with both 6-inch and 12-inch options, is excellent for a range of woodworking projects where controlled pressure is essential. Product 4. Product name: Metabo HPT Compound Miter Saw. The Metabo HPT Compound Miter Saw, Model C10 FCGS, is a 10-inch power saw designed for precision woodworking, suited for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Equipped with a robust 15-amp motor, this miter saw provides ample power for a variety of woodworking tasks, including cutting, trimming, and framing. The saw's large table offers stability and support, making it easier to handle larger materials with precision. Notable for its accurate miter angle settings, the Metabo HPT saw allows for precise angled cuts with a miter range of 0 degrees to 52 degrees both left and right, which enhances versatility across diverse projects. Additionally, the saw features a 0 degrees to 45 degrees bevel range to the left, making it ideal for complex cuts and detailed work. The included 24T TCT tungsten carbide tipped blade ensures a clean, smooth cut, while the saw's positive stops allow quick adjustments to common angles, increasing both accuracy and efficiency. Product 5. Product name: Big Gator Tools. Big Gator Tools specializes in high-quality tools for precision drilling and alignment, aimed at enhancing the accuracy and convenience of drilling tasks in various woodworking and metalworking applications. The Big Gator Tools STD 1000 DGNP V-Drill Guide exemplifies the company's focus on durable, user-friendly tools. This V-Drill Guide is crafted from robust nickel-plated alloy steel, designed to maintain stability and resist wear over time. It allows for precise drilling at fixed angles and provides alignment for drilling common hole sizes without the need for bulky machinery or setup, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Product 6. Product name Recon M1 Caliber Measuring Tool. The Recon M1 Caliber Measuring Tool is a precision measuring device designed specifically for use with miter saws, providing a substantial upgrade for anyone involved in woodworking, construction, or DIY projects. By eliminating the need to manually measure and mark materials, the M1 caliber significantly enhances efficiency, reduces potential errors, and increases overall safety on the job. This tool seamlessly integrates with the miter saw, allowing users to measure flat and round materials directly at the cutting point, which saves time and enhances accuracy by delivering real-time measurements without additional steps. Its innovative design aligns with the user's interest in other specialized tools that prioritize functionality, safety, and workflow optimization. Similar to how the Frozen Sonic Saber cutter refines 3D prints with precision, or the Jorgensen No. 102 Mini wood planer offers fine control in woodworking, the Recon M1 streamlines the cutting process with direct, built-in measurement. The M1 caliber is an ideal choice for those who value tools that enhance productivity without compromising quality, fitting well in a collection of tools aimed at achieving professional-grade results. Product 7. Product name Seer Con Gauge. The Seer Con Gauge is a versatile profile tool designed to make precise copies of irregular shapes, making it an ideal accessory for DIY enthusiasts, woodworkers, welders, and flooring installers. Available in a convenient 10-inch size, this gauge is perfect for projects requiring exact measurements to replicate complex shapes or edges. Featuring an adjustable lock, it securely holds the duplicated shape, allowing users to trace patterns with accuracy.